Hello everybody, really wonderful to see all of you. Great new year, a lot of new faces, that's great. I'm one of the new faces as your new dean, and I wanted to have this opportunity to get to, for you to get to know me a little bit better, as I hope to get to know all of you. And I thought, what better way to start that than to have a little bit of a primer into how to pronounce my name. So, let's start with the Arabic and then we'll move over to the English. In Arabic, Haydar ala Hamoudi. So we'll start with Haydar. Haydar is actually an archaic Arabic word for lion. It was commonly attributed to the son-in-law of the Prophet Muhammad at one point in a battle. He famously said, "I'm the one who my mother has called a lion," using the word Haydar. Right? Easy to remember in my context because of the head of hair here. It looks like a lion's mane. Haydar. Now we go to Ala, the second name. Interestingly enough, that is my middle name. It's my father's name. In accordance with Iraqi tradition, if people were to pronounce my full name, it'd be Haydar Ala, and then Baqir, my grandfather's name. Sometimes Abdul Majid, my great-grandfather's name. Shortened it. So we just do my father's and my grandfather's, my name and then my father's name here in the United States. Allah. Allah is different from Allah, completely different word, although they sound the same in English. Allah is God. Allah is short, and it refers to someone who's achieved something. And Allah ad-Din, someone who has achieved something in religion. That's the most common form of it. So Allah ad-Din in English then translates itself into Aladdin, Aladdin, and so it's essentially short for Aladdin, which you are not allowed to call me. Final name, Hamoudi. Hamoudi is a version of the name Muhammad. It sort of signifies you're talking to a Muslim. Faith first is how I roll, and if you're talking to a Muslim, there's a fairly good chance that there's some form of Muhammad somewhere in their name. So again, not hard to remember, Haydar. Lion. His mother called him a lion. Allah, short for Aladdin. And then Hamoudi, a version of Muhammad. So then how do you say that in English? Just so that it's a little bit easier for those of you less familiar with Arabic's guttural sounds. Haydar. Allah, short for Aladdin. Hamoudi, diminutive of Muhammad. All right, wonderful to see everybody once again. Please send me any questions you have about this in the chat. Also, welcome in the comments section any ideas you have about further videos. We're going to be doing a lot of these videos so that you can get to know me a little bit better. And so any ideas you have, please do send them on and we'll try to do a video about that. Thanks everybody, and see you on the next video.